amazing! I think the big slide is this way? That one! Let's go to the top!
It looks steeper from up here. Effort, Grunt. Oof, just a little push.
That was amazing!
Now this is my kind of speed.
So relaxing.
Orange!
Watch out! Water wall!
Which way? I can't steer! Bloop, bloop, bloop. My fluff! It's all gone. Here we go again. Just one more step. That's better. Who's hungry? Oops. I think the engine is empty.
I smell.
Waffle cones, follow me. Okay, round 2. I'm ready.
Gotcha! Missed! Gotcha!
Why isn't this one working? Perfect fit. Uh-oh, my tail is vibrating. Get me down! I'm not a beach ball! I'm clean now.
This is the perfect spot.
Strawberry tuna swirl. It's melting. It's escaping. You know you don't have to eat it all in one bite, right? Cold. Brain cold. Sigh. Well, it was good while it lasted.
Same time tomorrow?
Definitely.
Best day ever.